Oh my. Leg? What are we gonna do? I don't know. We should find backyard. Are you ready?
We're back.
Me too.
It's so bright. Let me go to my little house.
Dad. You have to find the key now. You have to find the one. Nope. Help. Help. You have to find a key.
Did I find the old train?
Right here. What's that?
My old train.
This one is gone. I have to find the key.
To die.
We have to find a key now. There's no chance of surviving. Is this a key? We have to escape. Now. We have to escape.
Ating balat kayo, ating balat to.